This week's episode, we're going to be looking at the Toronto Woodworking Show. Been going for the last couple of years. Interesting people, interesting things, and great products. I went Friday around noon, and boy, was it packed. Watched two seminars put on by Vic and Steve. Well, these guys are very knowledgeable, yet funny guys. All the main suppliers like Lee Valley and Busy Bee and so many other ones are there in our area were there. Also used tools sales and all the major guys like DeWalt was there, Milwaukee, geez, all of them. I can't even think right now. Got to meet Rob Crossman, which is he's an amazing woodworker. I follow him on YouTube, and also he has a website which I put up there. Check him out. Amazing woodworker. You learn a lot. Miss Lanny, but I'll get him next time. All the amazing things there for sale, and amazing people doing the seminars, and actually carving there. Amazing. Such amazing things that they carved out. I was really I, wow. That's what I'm saying. I went there actually to look at some CNCs and look at some tools that I'm thinking of getting in the future. And people there are very knowledgeable. You have the actual manufacturers there. It's just not the people selling it. And products. Talk to other woodworkers and people that are more knowledgeable than yourself and find out what products are best for certain situations, certain things. And it was just amazing overall. I'm not saying go to the Toronto Woodworking Show. I suggest you go, or any woodworking show in the area, whatever you are. It's good to go out there and meet these people and talk to these artists and creators. Just amazing. Hope you enjoyed some of these photos I put up to see what they actually created there, and thank you for watching.